Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nessa K, and in today's video I'll be showing you 7 casual autumn winter outfits. If you're not from the UK, you wouldn't know, but we've currently had a second lockdown which started about a week ago by the time this video has gone up. So I wanted to kind of show some casual outfits but still look cute. And if you're like me, I'm like a huge flat lover, but I'm trying to change myself. Okay, I usually just wear trainers and then also the fact that November is my birthday month, so I'm just gonna try and just go all out regardless of the fact that I'm gonna be going food shopping or whatever, because there's nothing else to do. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe for more fashion related videos. I've got the outfits that I'm going to be showing you guys here, so yeah, I'll be pulling it out. This is the first one that I'm starting with. I'm going to show you what I pair it up with the shoes, and then also jacket wise because it's cold in the UK. So I've got this casual bodysuit from Zara. Hopefully my bra is not showing. This bodysuit is like one of their staples that they have. It's really cute, it's stretchy. I got this in a size medium. I'll leave all my measurements down below. And then I've got this Zara leggings. I got this in a size extra large. If I find it again, I will go for a large. Like, you know, I can honestly, if I wanted it a little bit more snatched, I could have sized down, but obviously if you know Zara, it's a hit and miss, so I'll just rather go for the bigger size. So yeah, this is the leggings, but I really like these are like my everyday leggings. I like it because it doesn't show anything. It's really thick. I'm wearing it today back to front because the label is actually here, but I like the fact that in the back it has this seam which goes all the way down, and then it also has a zip at the bottom, so I like to just undo the zip. If you're wearing a casual outfit but you kind of want to make it a little bit chic, these leggings are that, because of how it just gives you that pop of leg. Just looking at my shoes and jacket and how I want to wear this, I would actually wear this, just kind of spice it up, like maybe in the evening, walk in the park, I don't know. I would wear this with a leather jacket. And to be fair, I threw away most of my boots and I'm trying to get some really good real leather everyday boots, so I ordered one from Zara. Hopefully it comes and it's good. But if I had some casual boots, this will be that kind of outfit. If you're an OG watcher or you've watched my video before, I've mentioned that I have loads of leather jackets, like literally, but all my leather jackets are like what are they called, they're not real leather, they're just, you know, PU leather or just vegan leather as they call it these days. So I decided to get myself some real leather, just one real leather jacket, just because I'm like, I want this to be with me for a long time. I actually found one that I really like, and this one I got from TK Maxx. Obviously I would have wanted to go to All Saints, but you know, we ain't got All Saints money. This one from TK Maxx was £70. If you know about TK Maxx, they sell real like good pieces, old season or previous season stuff. So this one is from the brand Urban Code. You can still get it online, so I'll link it. But the one that I've got, I really like it because I'm always been into like a biker leather jacket. I like the fact that, you know, it's got the biker kind of sleeves here, and one thing about it is that it's got like a champagne metal. So the metal here is kind of gold, but then it's kind of silver. I like the fact that I can basically get away with wearing this both guys, I hope I'm not too light. If I'm washed out, I'll try and darken it, but yeah, this jacket has this champagne kind of metal on it, and I really like that, just because it goes with either gold or silver. And I hate leather jackets, most of them, because they always come with a silver one, and I'm actually always wearing gold. And I got in a size 12, by the way. Sorry to be talking so much about the leather jacket. Oh goodness. Just simple jewelry pieces. Got these earrings from Mango, so cute. If I can still find it, I'll link it down below or something similar, but Mango do the best jewelry. This is just me. I promised you guys it was going to be casual, and this is it. But if it gets a little bit chilly, just zip it up and you're done. With this kind of outfits, I would literally wear my Vans, and that is basically it with the shoes. And you guys see what I mean about these leggings. They're just really cute, very cash. This is me put my mask on, honey. Let me just put my mask on. You gotta have your mask from Shop Nestle. Okay? Shameless plug. For something like this, I would literally pair it with this bag, which is my favorite Burberry bag. And because it's a crossbody and it has a black leather, I don't mind wearing this casually just because, you know, I think with the black leather I can just kind of get away with it. Guys, I figured out why I was looking so washed out, so I fixed it now. This should be better, so I'm gonna carry on like this. I apologize if I'm blind. So this is the next outfit. Let me just finish putting it on. I love this shirt from Zara, but I just love the detailing, that part of it. Cute, like, right? These are just some basic jeans that I got. To be fair, I got these from Turkey, so I can't tell you where I got them. Ripped jeans are not the best for this kind of weather just because it's quite cold. So what you can do is wear some stockings, tights, leggings underneath just to hide this. To be fair, it gives it a really good look. And if I can find some really good ripped jeans, I'll tag them as well. Where I get my favorite jeans from, I've got a video. I'll try and link it here. This is the famous vest, sleeveless vest that everybody's wearing, and I thought I'll get this one, but this one I got it from I Saw It First. It's got some puff shoulders, which isn't bad. So what I would do, just to elevate the outfit a little bit, I'll literally put this on. So this is how I would wear it. Really cute, right? Let me know what you guys think. Very casual, I promised you guys. And if you're like me, girl, flats. But I wanted to get some really good bougie, when I mean bougie, just a little bit more lady style, because you guys, I just wear trainers, like it's so embarrassing. So I got these Gucci inspired, did my research on them. To be fair, the Gucci loafers, Princetown loafers, I would love to get them, however it's just out of my budget. So I wanted to try these to see if I like these. These are real leather loafers, and these are from Sosandar. Random, but that's how far my research went, right? Because I ended up ordering lots of them. The other ones that I tried out, the leather was too hard, and it's one of those that you have to like wear it like 20 times before it gets soft. I was like, I ain't got time. So I got these ones. I would pair it with this bag, which is my new bag from Zara. I like it because it's like, it's got like gunmetal color, so it kind of go with anything. But I like it because it's that Balenciaga kind of style, that kind of ragged leather. It's not real leather, to be fair. They had it on special prices for like £12, girl. I had to get it. Look at that. These are the flats, really cute, love them. I'm gonna put on this coat, which is one of my favorites. I got this from ASOS. But yeah, I would literally wear this like this because that's how big the coat is. This outfit is done. This look is everything 100% me. Classy, but we're literally going to buy some groceries. That's it. Yeah, this is the next outfit. These are from Topshop. I thought they were quite cute. I like the color of them, and it looks really cute with this top on. This top is from Zara. The knit on this is really thick, so I kind of got it because of that. I'll just kind of get close so you guys can see, but like it's really good quality. I've paired these with some Puma. These are like the Fenties, if anyone still has those. I just thought I was gonna get rid of them, but I thought why? I thought these were quite cute on, and the blacks obviously go. I'm gonna pair it with this coat. This is the outfit. I would wear it with this coat. I would probably pair this with this bag from Zara. But yeah, that is this look. It's basically these leather trousers. Ideally, I would have preferred to have some black ones, but I'm still on the hunt. So guys, this is the next outfit. I remember I purchased it when I did my recent, I say recent, probably about a month ago, but I did the Pretty Little Things haul, and I was supposed to show you guys this, but I lost the clip. So this, I've actually got it in a black. Loungewear is back. I just thought this is something that suits me a little bit more rather than wearing like regular joggers, and so yeah, this just decided to go for this. The top is a size 12 and then the bottoms are 14. I would pair it with some trainers and this little bag here, which is really cute. Got some Oswego's, which are Adidas. You guys asked me about these shoes a lot. Let me just do that so you can see. I'll link them down below. And then this bag, which is just some Fendi. I don't know if it's real, but I got it from like a market. One of those what are they called, like, you know, the garage sales and stuff. So it's just a Fendi bag, which is really cute, and it's an actual shoulder bag. So this would be me. It's called like brushed knit. It is like, right now I'm hot, it keeps you warm, so I would literally just put, hang on, I wouldn't even put a jacket with this because I'm not even joking, it is warm. So I would literally just put a scarf because obviously the neck has to be covered, keeps you warm. This is like one of my favorite outfits. You can wear the top separate, obviously. Cute top. I think I've worn it before actually. I'll put a picture here if you're not following me on Instagram. I wore these with some really nice bell pepper, but like the wide leg jeans, and they were so cute. I always get like a nice wool scarf for winter, just because you can kind of do this, and sometimes what I do, I just put a belt on it, honestly, if I'm lazy. You can just put a belt across and turn this into like a little jacket. So guys, this next fit, this top, I got confused thinking that Stradivarius is like similar to Zara. Honestly, they have like same pieces. This one is from Zara. I got this color because I had a black, white, nude, which I got from Stradivarius, and because Stradivarius you can actually shop it from ASOS, so I kind of always like to get it on ASOS next day delivery, and sometimes they have like, you know, ASOS has the discounts or whatever. I thought it was similar to the Zara one. After I went to Zara, I actually saw that this is different. This is like really stretchy. Honestly, I like the fit of the Zara one, but the fabric on the Stradivarius is much better. Something that I noticed from wearing it, and I haven't washed this yet, is I don't know what was happening with the back of my hair or the jacket or whatever, but there's like some bubbles already. I'm not sure if you guys can pick it up, hopefully you can, but there's some bubbles there, and I don't know why that was. I've never had the issue with this one, so just an FYI. Yeah, I just thought I'll let you guys know about that. So jewelry, I've just paired it with this cute little necklace from Mango and this cute little pinky ring from Mango as well. I remember when I bought these jewelry, I bought it with this suit, which is from Mango actually. So this skirt is from Mango. It's got a top with it, so I'll show you guys that. But yeah, this is just it. I recently posted an Instagram picture and you guys loved it. Unfortunately, it is sold out, and it was actually like last season, so I'm not sure if you're gonna find it. This is really cute. I've paired this up with my white nudie kinda Oswego's, and honestly I wear this every day. This is my most worn pair. Really cute. Just gotta break the brown. I would literally pair it with this bag. Let me just put the jacket on so you guys can see. And to be fair, it is kind of like autumn, so sometimes we get warmer weather, so I wouldn't pair this with like a jacket. You guys know I can't wear this next outfit without my shaper, okay? Shameless plug number 2. This dress, I really like it. It's from Zara. The dress is like a racer back, so what I usually do is tuck in the straps. This is the dress, and what I'm gonna pair this up with is, let me just put on my shoes. And this is just that jacket that I wore in the beginning. So cute. By the way guys, it's like 10 p.m. right now. It's a lot, so thumbs up this video if you're still watching and you're enjoying it so far. I love it when I just tie it and do that, right? This jacket is everything. Always have my flats as you guys can see. I would pair it with this Givenchy Antigona mini. Love, love, love. Very, very casual, but still doing it okay. Although I'm wearing trainers, I'm still a lady. So guys, this next outfit is just a two-piece. Honestly, two pieces are my favorite things because you don't have to think about putting the matching things together. I bought this last year, but this is from Bershka. I got it off ASOS. If I can find something similar, I'll link it below. But it's just a really nice knit skirt with a matching jumper. The jumper is roll neck. Hopefully I can keep this clean when I take it off. This really cute. I will pair this with my Converses. I'll pair this with my Burberry bag. I got this bag because I was watching Josephine looks. Honestly, my mind went blank. She bought this bag. I've been eyeing it since and so glad I was able to get it. It's just a staple, right? And it goes with everything. And so because it's got the white in it, it goes with this, right? So I'll just show you with my Converses. There you go. That's how I would literally wear it, and I've used the bag as like a color block because even the Converses are white. And this outfit is pretty warm. So yeah guys, this is the look. I love this. Honestly, like I said, if you're a casual person, you need like a two-piece. It's just an easy way to kind of put something together without trying too hard. So yeah, this is it. So that was basically it guys. Let me know your thoughts, and actually with some of the pieces I can always change it up, if you know what I mean. Let me know your favorite outfit. Honestly, I am tired, so I'm gonna go now. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.